Hi everyone, this is In Love With. Thanks for clicking on my video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell. Keep watching to see how I use my at-home flaxseed gel to make this defined twist out. Here are some of my supplies. A few clips, my flaxseed gel, and a comb. So I start by clipping my hair out of my face, and I take my first section. I apply a generous amount of flaxseed gel to that first section, combing it through my hair and raking it, and then I start to twist. When deciding how big to section my twist, it depends on the part of my hair. The back part of my hair gets larger twists because my curl pattern is looser. The top part has tight curls, so I tend to do smaller twists. The smaller the twist, the more defined. I will also link in the description below the video to how I make my homemade flaxseed gel. Be sure to check out that video if you haven't already. As you finish the twist, make sure you coil it around your finger. I repeat the process with each twist. I add gel and finger comb it through my hair. This allows the curls to separate, and then I twist. I also comb my hair to give it a smooth look. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together. Don't forget to coil the end of each twist. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. This gel can get pretty messy too, so I always keep a towel nearby to wipe my hands. I don't use a comb to make my parts when I do my twist. I don't like the hard lines once I take my twist out. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Last twist. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Finished. So now I either sit under a dryer or I let my hair air dry for a day or two. It's the next morning and I'm taking down my twist. I let my hair air dry the day before. When unraveling your twist, it's super important to use oil so that your hair doesn't get as frizzy. So right now I'm just coating my hair with oil before I start to take them down. When taking down my twist, I take my time, unraveling one twist at a time. Although this video is sped up, there's no need to rush when taking apart your twist. You'll appreciate making sure each twist is undone neatly. First impression, you OPN. I unravel all my twists before separating. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN.
We should be closer than friends. If you OBN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Now that all the twists have been unraveled, I will begin separating them. Again, take your time with separating so that you do not disrupt your curls. Do not force your curls to separate. Feel where your hair naturally wants to part and then gently pull them apart. Don't worry if you can't get the hang of this. It took me several twist outs before I was able to get the hang of this well.
If you OBN, engaging you's on my
Continue separating until you get the look that you want. The more you separate though, the more likely you are to have frizz. Also, the look of your twist out will change over the course of days. So don't worry if the look isn't exactly what you're looking for with day one hair. So I've finished unraveling and separating my hair, and now I'm just picking it for some volume. But here's what my hair looks like on day one.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
I hope this video was super helpful to you, but stay tuned if you want to see how I maintain my twist out over the course of a few days. Here we are at the end of day one. I'm going to show you how I protect my curls while I sleep. I always add a little bit of oil, as well as tie my hair with a scarf and a bonnet. So first I add oil to my hair just to protect it. I usually give myself a little scalp massage while oiling my hair. Next, I tie my scarf to the top of my hair and make sure all my hair is going back in the same direction. Once my scarf is secure, I add my bonnet and I'm ready for bed. So this is the next morning. I'm just going to take off my bonnet and my scarf and show you how I prep my hair. So I just shake out my hair, add a little bit of oil since I'm going to be putting my hands in my hair, and begin to fluff out all of my curls. I use a pick to help me fluff out the curls as well.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up.
After using my fingers and my pick, I'm ready to go.
Open up.
Alright, so it is now nighttime of day 2 hair. As you can see, my hair is a bit more full than it was for day 1. And for my nighttime prep, I'm just going to spritz it with some water and oil to make sure my hair isn't too dry, and then repeat my steps from the previous day. I'm using oil since my hands are in my hair, as well as sealing in the moisture from the spray bottle. And now I'm going to add my scarf and my bonnet. See you in the morning. All right, we made it to day 3. So I'll be doing the same steps as before, removing my scarf and my bonnet and just shaking out my curls. Again, applying oil to my hands to reduce frizz as I manipulate my curls.
We should be closer than friends. If you OBN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and coke.
Alright, time to tie my hair up for bed. Earlier in the day, I added bobby pins to pin my hair back, but I'm going to do the same process that I've done all the other nights. So I add a little bit of oil, my scarf, and my bonnet. I'm going to wrap this video up with day 3 hair, but I know my hair will last me a couple more days. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as click the bell for notifications. Thanks!